Hey fam, how's everybody doing? Good, because we got a new toy in the kitchen. Yes, we got graphic technology. Did I say that right? Graphic technology. Come on in the kitchen. So guys, so what we have here is the graphic technology. Now this is the new graphic technology, right? So now with this technology, you will see it is so nice and movable, okay? Movable. When I tell you it looks absolutely beautiful, it does. Now, what I'm going to tell you is it comes with the baking tray, you guys. Check out the baking tray. Now, this Comfee toaster oven, air fryer, it's a combination, you guys. Okay, you need to go over and check it out. Now, we have the baking rack, right? We got the baking rack. Now, we also have the air fryer basket. You guys check out the air fryer basket. Check that out. Okay. Now we got that next to some Jimmy sausage up there. Now we also have the crumb tray, right? To catch all the crumbs, right? So you guys get a good look at the inside. I'm gonna lean you forward just a little bit, so you guys can see the inside. Now that is beautiful. You guys check it out. Now, I'm going to test this out for the first time because we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this rack back in, right? We're going to put this right back in and we're going to bake us, right? We're going to bake. We're not going to air fry anything. We're going to bake some good old Jimmy Dean sausage. Now, because this is my first time using this, right? So we're going to put us some sausage on to the tray, right? And we're going to test this out. Now, this is already pre-made, I guess you could say. I don't know. I just bought the pack so we can have breakfast, right? So you guys, when I tell you this is a beautiful thing, wait a minute, I done dropped the sausage. Wait a minute. When I tell you this is a beautiful thing, it is. This graphic technology is definitely winning by me. You guys, you can air fry on this. Let's see. Let's test it. Okay, and then I'll be able to talk, okay? So we're going to first turn the power on. Then we're going to, I guess, temperature darkness. Let's see, timer. We don't need it 6 hours. Okay, we're going to turn the timer down. We don't need it for, let's say, let's see what 10 minutes, okay? And we gonna, we're gonna use the light function, right? And we're gonna press start. So we're gonna see it cook, right? Now we got it on 10 minutes, right? But anywho, let's talk back about this. So this graphic technology, I mean, you can cook pizza, toast, bagels. You can boil meat and fish. Guys, you can reheat leftovers. You guys, you need to hit the link in the description and go over and check it out. They got a flash sale coming in November. I want to say around and about, because I'm not sure. But go check it out, you guys. This will make a beautiful gift idea, or even for your own common household, because you can air fry in this. You can, make your toast. You really don't need to use your oven at all. You guys, this is a great deal, and it's a deal breaker, okay? Because you can get crispy chicken and fish in this. It all depends on what you want to, serve that day for dinner or whatever. But I'm sure it's great for leftovers without even cooking, okay? And then you can even do toast to the perfect level, you guys, and melt and brown cheese, like grilled cheese and stuff like that. Y'all, when I tell you this is a winner, just look at the beautifulness of it all. I mean, you have the air fryer, you have the toaster, you have a regular oven, basically just countertop wise, just countertop wise. And I wouldn't put my name on it if I didn't think that it was worth the deal, right? Worth the deal. And like I say, around and about November the 6th, they're going to have a sale. And I mean, it's a deal breaker. This Comfee Flashwave toaster oven, air fryer, because air fryer, you can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with it. You can do everything with it. This is a deal breaker. Now we see these sausage is cooking, right? They are cooking. So we got 7 minutes left, and yeah, we're gonna see what it does. Guys, I forgot to mention, it even comes with its own cookbook. You guys check it out. This cookbook has some of everything in it, right? It got the baked recipes. It got the seared, crispy recipes, air fried recipes. You guys, oh, check it out. But anywho, how to do crispy cutlets. Well, I called it crispy, but cutlets, chicken wings. Oh, we're gonna be cooking up a mess. French toast, right? I ought to try that right now. But anywho, you can even do chicken. You guys check that chicken out. That chicken look mighty delicious. But anywho, you guys, we got 4 minutes left. I just wanted to let you know, this is the manuals, a quick start guide, and a cookbook. And you also get the air fryer oven pamphlet or booklet. You guys, you cannot beat this. So yeah, go over and check it out and see if that's what you would like, and let me know. Hit the link in the description. So guys, I have turned it off, but look at this deliciousness. Let me show you guys this. Let me show you guys this. Be careful because it definitely is hot. I'm trying to move both hands at the same time. Uh-oh. Didn't want to move, you guys. Oh, yes. Nice and juicy. Please don't handle this without gloves. This technology, graphic technology gets hot. Baby, look at these sausage. Look at these sausage. Now, if you want quick and easy sausage, go over and check out Comfee Air Fryer Oven. The link is in my description. Go over and check it out. And you can get you one for your household, your family member. The holidays are coming. And what better way to give a perfect gift for any household? It's no comparison to an air fryer. Okay? Now, don't get me wrong. You got an air fryer in this one. You got an oven in this one. You could boil in this one. You can reheat in this one. Same as the air fryer. But if I was to compare, I would definitely stay with this. And I am so appreciative of them reaching out to me. And like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. You guys, check out the link in the description. And you definitely will get you a good deal on your next graphic technology. The new graphic technology. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.